amazing students out there. I Akanksha Gandhi, Vocational Trainer Media Entertainment as a part of ITRC Technologies Private Limited. Today I'm going to discuss about few more tools of Photoshop. So let's begin the tools I'm going to discuss you about. In the last session we have discussed you about the rectangle marquee tool. Today we are going to discuss about the elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool and single column tool. So elliptical marquee tool is selected in the same procedure as the rectangle marquee tool is being selected, and for that particular reason I have made the selection earlier also. So I'm taking off this selection from here to here so that we should get the same proportion. So I'm going to adjust the proportion by right clicking and the transform selection, and I am setting the transformation but by pressing shift, as I told you earlier also, mentioned in earlier videos also. So I'm adjusting it so that I could get the exact proportion. So I have selected the proportion. Now I'll go to the move tool, apply, and then I take this tool from here to here. So now this image size is quite big, so for that again we need to press on the transform tool. So for that we press the Ctrl T button to adjust my image, because I want a soup rather than a T. Okay, so I have adjusted my image. So here is my soup ready for you rather than coffee. So this is the elliptical tool that works in this circular way. Now I am going to discuss about the rest two options, that is single row and single column tool. So for that I need to take a new file. So go to the file, new, select the inches rather than the pixels. I'll go for 7 and 10. It's just not any size, I'm just taking a random way, and I'm naming it like tools. Okay, and ta-da! Here you see the blank document arises after selecting the new option. So let's see how it works. Single row marquee tool as in a row form. See, as in a row form. As in row form I have selected it, and after selecting I'll press Alt backspace for filling the color in it. As soon as I press Alt backspace, the color get filled up. You'll see this light color, this is filled up. Now if I want to change the color, I can go to the selection, select the red color and Alt backspace, and it will get filled up in a red color. See, this is the red color. And now if I want to change the color, I'll select other color, OK, and then Alt backspace, and this is, you'll see, this is the next color. And let's make it into layer. Okay, and now I am taking up a more brighter color like blue color, and then I click on the Alt backspace and my area get selected. Okay, so this is the single row. Now move on to the single column. Yeah, the blue color will arises because we have already made the selection foreground, and for that we'll select Alt backspace is for foreground and Control backspace is for the background purpose. Make it more darker. Now I move to the next tool. Yeah, make it more brighter. Alt backspace, and again here make it different and Alt backspace. So this is the foreground color we have created. This is the your single row and single column marquee tool for making rows and columns. And in case I want to select the background color, I can select that also. I'll choose a color, and for that Alt backspace for filling the color and Control backspace is for the background color. See, the background color gets filled up, and my rows and columns vanished away because I have filled the whole area. So you can do it before making your rows and columns, because after that you're unable to see the rows and columns you have made, like this one, all backspace, like this one, all backspace. So you can do it earlier also if you want in a white page, and you can do it later also if you want that that lines should be visible in your background, which should be color. So you can do as per as your wish. I hope you like this session about how this single row marquee tool, single column marquee tool, and elliptical tool works. And in the next session we'll again come up with the next tool of yours, Photoshop CS4, that is lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, and magnetic tool. Till then, I hope you like this session and get back to you soon.